Simon here again. How are you? Hope you're all well. Today what we're going to do is put some CVC words together, like cat, mat, at, bat. Okay, this activity is good for increasing your child's vocabulary to work on the initial sounds of the letter. Are you ready to start? So what you need for this is plain paper, a marker, scissors, and glue, and last of all, colored blocks. Okay, so what you need to do is just a rough guide. How big square do you need? So I'm just going to do it like this. Okay, and I'm going to cut around it. Remember, keep the scissors away from you, especially your face. And do you remember our song? Open, shut them. Open, shut them. This is the way you cut, cut, cut. Well done, you remembered. Okay, so this is my square. And it fits perfectly on my block. Again, you can make it a little bit bigger, just so you can fit the letters. Okay? And then what you can do is write a letter. So I'm going to write letter S. S. Just like this. And you can glue it on to the block using your glue. Okay? Here you go, just a little bit of glue and stick it onto the block, just like this. Good job. Okay, so CVC words. I'm going to show you how you can make some words together by just using the initial letter. Okay, so to start off with, what letter is this? Do you know? Good job. It's letter A. And what's the sound for letter A? Can you tell me? Amazing. Ah, ah, ah. Ah for apple. Okay. My next letter is letter T. Do you know the sound? Good job. T, t, t. There you go. So I have ah, t, 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 at. I made the word at. Can you see this? Well done. Okay, so now I'm going to put another letter at the beginning. Next letter I'm going to put is letter. Can you tell me what letter is this? Well done. Letter M. And the sound for this letter is M, M, M. Now, I'm going to join the letter M, the sound M, 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 next to the A and the T. Now, I'm going to put all the sounds together. So, M, A, T. M, A, T. Good job, you got it right. It's mat. Mat. I sat on the mat. Well done. Okay, so I'm going to remove the letter M. Again, I'm left with two letters, A and T. And the next one I'm going to bring in is the letter P. Well done. And the sound for this is P, P, P. I'm going to join the letter P with the letter A and T. Let's see if we can put the sounds together. P, P, A, T. Amazing! You got it right. It's pat. I like to pat on my shoulder. Pat. P, A, T. Good job. Amazing. Okay, bye bye letter P. The next one I have is the letter. Well done. Letter C. The sound for this letter is k, k, k. Okay, so I'm going to join this letter C next to with the A and the T. So k, a, t. Do you know what word this makes? You got it right. Yes, it's cat. 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 My friend has a cat. Cat. Well done. Okay, our next letter is going to be letter H. And the sound for this one is, can you tell me? Well done. It's h, h, h. And this will go next to the A and the T. Can we do it together? H, A, T. Do you know which word it makes? Good, well done. It's a hat. I like to wear a hat. Well done, boys and girls. I'm so happy that you all enjoyed this and you were all able to join me. Please do like and share my page, and I hope to see you all very soon. And please do send me some videos. Bye.